My Electrolux oven cooling fan stopped working, and after a while the main oven cuts out due to overheating. I have replaced the fan and motor, but it still doesn't come on. Any ideas?
Hi. Can you post the model number, please? Regards.
Electrolux EOB 5665G.
Hi. What you will find is it's more than likely the thermal protection fuse will have failed. If you take the top off, you will see it cable tied into the wiring. It's either white or blue and will have 4 wires coming out of it. 2 white and 2 blue. Check this, and I think you will find it will have burnout. If so, then you need to replace it, as that's what controls the cooling fan. I've replaced loads of this in the past for this fault where the cooling fan doesn't run, and it's always something to do with that. Check that and see what you find. Let me know how it goes. Regards.
Thanks for this. Have located it. How can I check to ensure that it is this before I order another one?
Hi. Normally you can see it on the cover end where the wires go, and does it look burnt? Regards.
Only slightly. Have done a continuity test over the 2 whites and blues, and nothing?
Hi. Okay, if nothing between the wires, then it's open circuit and is faulty. Just replace that and it will cure it. Like I said, we replace loads of these for this fault here. Regards.
Last one, and thanks for the help so far. How much roughly we looking at, and are they normally carried as spares or a special order?
Hi. The cheapest place I've just found it is on eBay for £15. Click here for the part. Or if you don't have eBay, here's the part number: 8,996,619,267,611. Therese online sites selling them from between £25 to £35 for the part. Regards.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.